Marina, you were studying with us online and getting this score within such a short period of time is absolutely amazing. Perfect 19 speaking and 19 listening. What is the secret behind this?
All the materials in the app was amazing because you are able to practice each and everything. My tutor Priyanka, I should thank her firstly for helping me crack this reading, because she told me all the elimination methods and the collocation. We are like, oh, is it going to be that tough in the exam? And once the exam comes, it's okay for you.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Marina with me today. 86 in PT with a perfect 90 in speaking, 90 listening, 86 in reading, and 85 in writing. Congratulations, Marina. Very well done.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Varun. Thank you.
Marina, you were studying with us online and getting this score within such a short period of time is absolutely amazing. Perfect 19 speaking and 19 listening. What is the secret behind this?
So the all the firstly I would like to thank Language Academy app. All the materials in the app was amazing because you are able to practice each and everything, and you will get all type of questions rather than single type of question. And also it was so nice. It had also some which was so nice. I think the app, that was the thing which helped me, because it's not that uneasy. What I felt was like the reading was difficult, and then everything was difficult in the app, so which made us to be more competent,
Yeah.
rather than other apps.
So basically, it's more about practicing the difficult questions or giving yourself a hard time when you're practicing, so that when you actually go for the test, things look and appear easy and you are able to crack it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing. Everything was like, especially the reading, it was, we are like, oh, is it going to be that tough in the exam? And once the exam comes, it's okay for you.
That's,
That's it.
See,
The up.
a lot of times students think that, studying online can be difficult, but as you have mentioned, you have practiced a lot on the app. What was your experience? Do you think it's fine to study online, and can students actually get the scores if they study online? And what are the things they should follow to get a score like your dream score?
So yeah, studying online can be definitely a good thing, and it's perfect. And also one of your tutors, Priyanka, she helped me to get classes for the reading as well. So yeah, studying online is really good because it has got all the question types. Say if you're going for reading, you have all the question types in the reading, the filling the blanks and the other stuff, the reorder the paragraph and everything. So it's really good. Like it moves in that particular way.
That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
studying online.
Yep. And how about the
Yeah.
mock test? Have you taken mock tests, and how are the mock tests helpful?
The mock test was really good. Like it will help you to know the questions which comes in the exams, and also you have I think you have all the exam questions as well. So it was so nice. Yeah, the test was pretty hard. When you take the mock test, it's pretty hard, and then once, as I told you, once the exam comes, you're like, oh, it's pretty much easy if you practice those stuff.
That's right. See, it's very important to practice and give yourself a hard time while practicing, so that when you actually go for the test, things are easy and you crack it in the very first go. Marina, any tips, any advice? Because there are a lot of students who are struggling in PT. Any tips, especially for the reading module? How did you get such a good score, 86 in reading, within such a short period of time?
So the my tutor Priyanka, I should thank her firstly for helping me crack this reading, because she told me all the elimination methods and the collocation. Learn, just go through the collocation so that you can get good scores. And what personally I believe is, like, you don't have to read the whole paragraph to get those answers. You can start that just that line, and then you can assume things, and if that's not working, then you can go back and read that exact line, the previous line. So that can That's what I felt. That
So
can save you. Yeah.
more of skimming the passage, not reading everything in detail, skimming the passage.
Yeah.
If you're still confused, then going back to the previous sentence to get a better understanding of the passage. That's a golden tip over
Yeah.
there. Everyone who's struggling in reading, learn how to skim and understand the meaning of the passage, because if you'll go too deep into the passage, you'll waste your time and things can be difficult. Any final piece of
Yeah.
advice for students who are planning to take the test, anything which you personally followed which helped you to get this score?
Oh, yes. With regard to the writing, I think you don't have to go behind the templates. So if you know to talk, obviously you can write it, and make sure you use the complex and compound sentence.
Mhm.
So that helped me crack. If you use a mix of compound and complex sentence, of course, you're going to get good score in PTE writing, especially that essay.
That's right. That's right. Very important you address the topic properly, because she has also taken the test after the changes. And after the changes, if you just rely on a template and if you're not writing relevant ideas or content, you are unfortunately not going to get the scores. Follow what she has mentioned. In reading, learn to skim. In writing, make sure you address the topic properly. Reading, make sure you take feedback. Practice on the Language Academy app and make sure you take as many mock tests and give yourself a hard time while you're practicing. Things will be very easy and will fall in place when you actually go for the test, and you will be able to get a great score as she has in such a short period of time. Thank you, Marina. All the very best and congratulations.
No problem. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Thank you.
Guys, remember this thing. If she has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students are doing it every day, you can do it as well. Just make sure you practice in the right direction, under the right guidance, and success will be yours. Make sure you follow the proper strategies, take feedback, practice regularly, be consistent, and do not give up. Thank you. That's it from this video. I'll see you in the next video.